In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in SiteGround so that you can install a new version of WordPress. Let's say if you want to create a separate section for your online course, or you simply just want to create separate content. Here's how you go about making a subdomain inside of SiteGround. And if you don't have SiteGround, but you do have something called a cPanel, then this tutorial is going to work in a very similar fashion. Here we are inside of our cPanel. To create a subdomain, it's super easy. All you have to do is click here on Subdomains. This is what you'll see when you click on that subdomain. So we're going to create a subdomain for Brandon Blossom, and this is going to be the training area. I'm going to go ahead and name this Members. And when I click out anywhere else, you're going to see that this automatically pops up. That's fine. Leave that alone. Go ahead and hit Create. You'll see that you've successfully created domain name, and that's it. That's all you have to do to create a domain name. As you see, when we go to members.brandonblossom.com, there's nothing there because we haven't put any content there. And most of you are going to want to use WordPress. So all you have to do is go click on the WordPress video, link is below, on how to install, and simply select this domain name or the subdomain that you created from the list, and then follow the instructions that way. That's it. A simple, short video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.